Hi, Z-Fam Mama, and I just got my monthly Young Living order. I actually am on Young Living Go, so if you do Young Living oils and you are on the ER, the monthly order, that is like $50 a month is all you have to spend, and that's just a couple of oils. You can sign up for this Young Living Go, and I can't remember the exact amount it is for the year. Anna, do you remember?
$60.
60 for the year, and you get 12 shipments free and then 1 quick order shipment free. So it really does save. So it's very cool. So anyways, big order this month. I'm totally stoked about it. Tracy's here to help me.
Okay,
What is that?
It is
Savvy
Savvy
Minerals. Yeah, because this should be the lipstick.
Ooh la la.
Yes. Oh my goodness. Hello. All right, here we go.
Let's look
It smells so good.
at
Oh, there it is.
I love that it's a small thing in such a big box.
They're actually talking about getting rid of a lot of packaging stuff. So, okay, come close so you can see the color.
What is the name of it?
I don't remember, so... Oh, that's pretty.
Oh, dang.
Oh, yeah. Okay, what color is this? You gotta help me, Banana. What color is that?
I wonder if it says on here.
Hey, Kayla, you want to come help me a
It
second?
says Icon.
Oh, Icon. Oh, that's right,
Oh, it
Icon.
lasts for 24 hours.
Okay, cool. You want to put that on the table for me? Okay.
Oh my goodness,
Oh, my
that's it.
goodness. There
Okay,
you
so we'll go with this one.
go. Okay, go with that one. Let's see what that one is. Okay, I'll open this one while we're waiting. We got, oh, Peace and Calming. This is my perfume. I love the smell of it. So I mix this with, sometimes I put a little orange oil with it and a carrier oil to just help it go longer.
And one out of here is
Is that aroma? I cannot.
Ladies,
I know, we got
I
terrible
know.
eyes here.
this was a freebie this month. This is Aroma Ease.
Ooh.
It's got a very, if you're someone who gets nauseous or like, yeah, Kayla, it'd be good for you. It's got a very soothing smell,
It
very
almost,
balancing.
it has weird at first and then like
Probably the fennel.
peppermint.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
It almost smells like a York peppermint patty.
almost, yeah. Okay.
But then the fennel.
Of course, cinnamon bark.
cinnamon bark here. Vitality.
Oh, the non-vitality was a free oil this month.
See, that's why we have that one.
That's a perfect one to diffuse.
What's that?
Christmas spirit.
Oh. And my other freebie this month, oregano. You gonna smell oregano?
That's a huge immune booster. You want to kill the germs, use oregano. Diffuse that puppy. It's a hot oil, so you don't want to necessarily rub it on your skin without a carrier oil.
Okay, and this is, and by the way, I'm opening all these up because they're all nice and cool. Christmas spirit. That's what I was waiting for.
I'm dying to smell
Oh
this.
my heart. That smells so good.
That smells.
Oh
the
my
bottle.
gosh.
Right?
That smells like Christmas.
Oh. If you like the cinnamon like those, what do they sell?
The cinnamon pine
The cinnamon
cones.
pine cones? Get this to diffuse because that is.
But that actually has health benefits. It's
Right?
not chemicals or
It's
fragrance.
healthy,
It's going to cause
exactly.
cancer
But it
and
replaces it, right?
damage.
And we have peppermint.
Peppermint, what's that good for?
Peppermint cooling down. That one's my favorite.
Cooling down. What else do you use it for?
We use it when I get a fever.
Headache,
Mm.
fever,
Headache, fever.
and
Oh, bread.
Good
Just
for
in case
breath.
if I forget to do that.
nutmeg.
Ooh.
Got this for Anna.
See, diffuse that with some clove or some wintergreen
Or
or
bake
Christmas
with it.
spirit or cinnamon bark, and you've got yourself a fall scented candle without breathing in all of the terrible chemicals.
That is good.
Oh,
Okay,
we have
what's
another
this?
one.
Oh, okay. Oh, yes. No, Anna does not have to share anymore with us.
What am I sharing?
What's that?
This
Show me
is
what this
the
is.
Steve hand sanitizer.
Hand purifier.
Hand purifier. And it,
That little
Takes
bottle,
tiny bit. It's like one drop.
less
Let's
than the
show.
size
Here.
of a penny.
Oh, I've never used this before actually.
I put it on
So
your
you can do
hands.
that much. Go ahead, rub it around. Rub it all over, like you do. Yeah, there you go.
Ooh.
Smell it.
Mmm.
The camera can't smell.
Well, I know, but like.
So this is the Thieves hand purifier. It's so perfect when you're out and about, and oh, it's amazing.
Yeah.
And
it doesn't-
grapefruit vitality. Another one I put in my water. I love this.
Good for circulation, weight loss, overall health benefits,
The
detoxing.
baby, my excitement.
What is that?
Thieves cleaning kit.
Stop it. What?
Yes, so if any of you have been following along, we are in the moving process looking for a home. And so I thought, I feel like we're getting close, so I'm going to order this kit. So the second we move into the new house, we can clean it with all things. So we just start out the home completely chemical free.
What is in there? That's a beautiful box.
Yes, that is.
So thieves, I absolutely love the smell of thieves. I love them.
I will say a quick disclaimer. This kit can only come if you are on Essential Rewards. So if you would like this kit, then talk to my mom about hopping on ER because that is where you can get this.
Thank you.
A silver bucket.
Oh.
Cleaning bucket.
Oils can never be used in plastic, so they will clean out the toxins.
This is a heavy bucket. I don't know if it's just because.
Probably has all this stuff in it.
Well, we'll see if it's still a heavy duty one. What's that?
Oh, I love these.
What's that?
This is the
Thieves cleaner.
Thieves
Right, but you don't use this. You just use a capful. And you pour a capful into here, into your glass bottle, and then spray it on everything. And this lasts. We've had it for it's almost a year now.
I got it in February.
Yeah, well, okay, so about like 10 months.
Yeah.
Then,
Oh, speaking of spray bottle.
whoa, it's not white.
It's got the Young Living
Young
brand on it.
Living.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Okay, and what is this?
What is that? Oh, this- I want to feel that. Okay, no, it's not too heavy now.
Is there anything on it? Oh, yeah, right there.
Where?
Right there. It
Oh,
says
it says Young Living.
Young Living Essential Oils.
Oh, hello. I didn't realize I got this case with it.
Hmm.
Oh, that's right.
What?
I forgot. A microfiber cleaning cloth. And go ahead.
Oh,
Pull out the oils.
check out the carrier.
Citrus free.
Citrus
Fresh.
fresh.
Fresh. Lemon.
Slam right back
Oh, I've never seen non-vitality little guy.
Same. Pin.
Pine.
Pine.
You want to smell like Lysol but don't want to kill yourself? Pine.
Ooh.
Oh. Wait, I want to smell it again.
Whoa. That smells like you're in a forest. Like walking through, it's like kind of the floor's a little bit
fresh.
wet by the rain. You smell the trees.
That's nice.
Wow.
Got that.
Okay, what's next?
That'd be good to fuse with cloves.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, boy, what is it?
Tell me it's
Purification?
Purification.
Hey, we just ran out of it.
Purification.
That literally takes the smell out of anything.
And then the beautiful these.
It
It's actually pretty.
is very
All
pretty.
of these have antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, so they effectively and efficiently clean your home without any damage to your breathing tract or your endocrine system.
Yeah, no chemicals. You can use it. You can lick your hands after using them because it's not going to hurt you.
I don't know if it would taste good,
It
but
tastes good, but this is, I would.
oh, citrus fresh is
would taste
good.
Lemon would
Lemon's
taste good.
good.
I don't know if we've tried any other ones.
I don't know. I mean, I
Pine?
guess
I don't know if I.
But you know,
pine.
Dallas just
Actually,
made us pine needle
We-
tea.
Yeah, we just had pine needle
Pine
tea.
tastes
so-
good to me.
Mom, you can put more.
Okay, will you hold that a second, please? I'm gonna open this just to feel. I use my microfiber cloth anyways, so I use the Norex is the ones I normally buy, but I believe in microfiber. Oh,
Ooh, that's soft. You guys gotta feel it.
I don't know if I'll use it for cleaning or I'll use it on my face.
Oh, wow.
Look. That's nice.
Yeah, we're not using it. Oh, it's got the Young Living. I'm loving how everything is
Yeah.
branded.
And then it has.
That
This is
case.
fantastic.
Then what's
Wow.
this? Oh, it's
Oh, so this is a little.
Do you remember-
This? It does a mixture. It does recipes for you
Oh, neat.
in your kitchen, appliances, refrigerator, in your bathroom. So it gives you different. What do you call it?
Ideas, recipes.
Yeah, ingredients, mixtures. So, wow, this was an awesome order this month.
How much was it all?
Oh, the whole thing. Was,
The kit, the little
kit.
thieves
How much
kit.
was
oh, the thieves. Okay, well, let me look it up here. Okay, so here it is. It's right on top.
100 and
$80.
$80.
80
Nice.
bucks, but
See, the oils
oils
alone.
alone are like, I think it was close to 80.
Yeah.
Actually, maybe with,
So the fact
this
that you
was
get-
80, so you get the bucket, you get the
Bottle.
container, you
the
get this
bag.
little package, you get the microfiber cloth. This, so glass bottle. Basically, I think what happens is you get
Yeah.
the carrying case, the cloth, this, and this free because that's
The oils plus the
oils
cleaner.
and this all add up to like 80 or 79, something like that. So
Wow.
yeah, good month of ER. So
Yeah. It's
comment down
exciting.
below if you are interested. If you buy Young Living oils, does not have to be through me. Get on ER. It's such a great thing. Plus, when you're on ER, you only have to spend $50 a month, and if you are into Young Living oils, you know it doesn't take but like 2 or 3. The other thing is you get points. And so at the end of the year, after 12 months, you can use your points to get free products. Or you can use it up before then, but you can like save up your points. So anyways, thanks for watching. Have a really blessed day, and we'll see you guys next time.